All right, so as I'm looking here, we're taking a peek here. Here are what the pages have to be. Perspective, exterior view of the whole house and realistic. Exterior south elevation, hidden lines. First floor plan, hidden lines. Second floor plan, hidden lines. Interior bathroom elevation, hidden lines. And that's of all the interior bathrooms. And then the last page, page 6, is going to be the 3D camera view realistic. So let's go over to Revit and talk about setting that up. So I got my first page done here, or I got one of the pages done. We're going to make a few more coming in here. But this is A1. I got most of the view set up, but I was talking about this has to be in hidden lines. So I'm going to double click on the view. So now I'm editing what's actually happening here. You can see the title block is grayed out. And right now I'm in realistic. I'm just going to change that to say hidden line. And that one works. The other thing that I have that I don't really like are these arrows here showing the elevation arrows. Same thing inside the house. It really kind of muddies stuff up. So I'm going to click on that, right click on it, and I'm going to go hide in view, and I'm going to go by category. Element would just hide that one thing. By category is going to hide them all. Boom, they're all hidden. Click out of it. Just double click off to the side. Now we have Elk River High School architecture in the title block. I'm going to click on the title block once, and I'm going to be able to put my name in there. Put house project, the date for 30/20/21. Drawn by, so this could be you again, checked by, doesn't matter at this point. Click off of it, and we have this part set up. So finished up the floor plan of, or first floor plan view. I have this nice line here. It all fits nicely. Again, changing the scale. I clicked on a scale. It's 1/8 inch equals a foot. I hid those elevation markers. I changed it so it's hidden line, and I'm ready to go.